either way. So I need proficiency in Twitter Bootstrap. Okay, when I say proficiency, whatever the class names I discuss in the class must be practiced. Hey Ankush is here. So yeah, I will be talking about Twitter Bootstrap. I'll be showing you guys, how to manipulate the CSS and HTML. Whatever I do, I need you guys to replicate that too. Okay, it should be reflected in your websites. Whatever the websites we see, it should be reflected. Okay, that's one thing I wanted from you guys. And some CSS changes. Hey Ankush, we just discussing about the project and the domain names. Okay, so what do you guys need to know, or what do you guys will be learning? Okay, you'll be learning Twitter Bootstrap extensively. This is very important for developers like us. If you don't have a knowledge about Twitter Bootstrap, then developers are mere failure, I say, because we should not depend on designers for everything. Tomorrow you guys may become me, like who is a hardcore developer, but hard to get this designing concepts. Yeah, Twitter Bootstrap is our friend. So I mean, even there is lot much for me to learn in Twitter Bootstrap. Trust me, Twitter Bootstrap is a huge thing, but I'm manageable because I'm a developer. So you guys need to be that too. That's what I want from my students, right? So Twitter Bootstrap will be learning. And in HTML, coming to HTML, what we need to know is, we need to know nothing actually. We'll get everything from Twitter Bootstrap. If you need forms, you will get forms from Twitter Bootstrap. Everything from Twitter Bootstrap. No need to worry about it. Okay, the next thing in PHP, this is very important for us in PHP. Okay, we have discussed variables, right? Super globals. Okay, this is one important. If condition, loop condition, loops, sorry, arrays. All right, arrays, super globals will cover everything. If condition, loops, arrays. And what else we have? We have one more thing called include. Okay, we'll discuss required. And what else we have? We should know file handling and database handling. So I'll finish off uh, this part first. We'll finish off this part, then I'll directly go to database handling. We'll see how database works. So database, then we'll choose a theme. It's up to your choice, guys. Theming also your choice, whatever theme you want. We have plenty of free resources outside, so I'll direct you guys to download those free templates. We'll use free templates first, and we try to manipulate free templates according to our need. So database handling, file handling. So we start from database handling, then file handling, and then eventually we move to OOPS and Ajax. Okay, we will discuss Ajax as a part of our project, and this is really easy. Trust me, guys. Most of the people outside, okay, they picturize Ajax as like big demon or big devil, like hey, Ajax is really difficult. But trust me, guys who know about jQuery, I don't know how many of you followed the jQuery classes, the videos or whatever. Guys who know about jQuery, Ajax is 5 minutes. I'll tell you how to do Ajax in 5 minutes. Okay, just you gotta follow me, that is it. And this is very important if you want a chat application. Okay, you see Facebook comments, right? Facebook comments is Ajax. Like you commented, it appears immediately over there. It's Ajax. And you like something on Facebook, it immediately updates. So that's all Ajax. Okay, we discuss about OOPS and Ajax, and that is it. We are done with our course, and I'll tell you what to do next. Okay, most of the people say when you finish PHP, jump to some framework or WordPress or stuff. And what I suggest is, don't go there. First learn PHP. When I say learning is exploring. Learn concepts. There are so many concepts in PHP called, there are curls, there is PDO, there is I'll talk about mails also here. That's a very simple thing, how to send mails. Okay, there is REST API. These are all concepts of PHP. So don't jump into frameworks until you know concepts of PHP, at least to have an idea. Tomorrow somebody may ask to do something, you're not supposed to put blank faces. You should know at least the concept of it, like what does curl mean, what does curl do, what is REST API. Okay, so there are so many concepts. For everything, the source is www.php.net. As soon as you finish the course, go here, explore, search everything, read everything. There will be examples there, read examples, so that tomorrow you will be having an idea. Okay, if I need this kind of application, what do I do? Okay, I have read this in php.net, so I'll jump back and immediately I'll do that thing. So 80% of the time, again I always measure 80-20 percentages. 80% of the time you need only this. Okay, the rest 20% of the time you need them. I mean, when I say time, it's your career. Okay, you won't be dealing with these guys forever. These guys, you will be dealing with only these guys forever. So these guys, the curl, PDO, REST API, and tomorrow somebody will say payment gateway, and someone else may come and say, hey, I need what some crazy integrations, or some URL scraping, website scraping. They're all like those concepts are not regularly used, but still have an idea on that. You're not supposed to do anything. I'll tell you guys how to find a code, where to find a code. Now tomorrow you may get a complex question. So where to find answers, how to find answers, how to get answers, I'll teach you that too. That's the most important point, how to get answers. So this is our important point. And for those who wanted a job, let's say, okay, fine, course is done, so what's next? I need a job, Sagar. Like you taught me a course, I need a job. Okay, fine, I can recommend you guys. I know a lot of people in Bangalore. I deal with startups. So if at all somebody really wanted a job, and I don't say you get a job just because of me, you should get a job because of you. So learn it. That is what I want from you guys. The more you learn, the easier you get a job. Right? Or tomorrow you may say, okay, Sagar, I'm done with course, let me collaborate with you. So like hey, are you working on a project, do you need any help? Okay, I want to do that project, to give me some work. Okay, I'm always there, I'll give you that work, provided you, again, if you concentrate, if you learn good. If I feel like you learn good, then definitely I'll give you projects, I'll get you placed. I'll do everything I can. It's not about getting placed or getting a project. It's about learning. Tomorrow you should be in my place, like have a command and PHP and say, hey, I can do PHP coding while sleeping. That's what I want from you guys. I hope I'm clear. Nobody's making a noise here. So yeah, the whole point is, send me a blank email to this. Those who are interested in learning the course going forward, with a domain name, okay, and hosting, just email me, test mail. Just send a blank mail, I'll reply back with my bank details, so that you can deposit me 3000 rupees, from which you get a hosting, domain, and the whole course and project. And I don't say you are restricted to come to the class. After that, I may provide the class free for an additional 2 days, so that people may have some trouble in getting the payment done. I'll give two days buffer time for you guys. You can attend the class for 2 days, and I cannot guarantee a domain name, like, because I'll be very busy in weekdays. So weekends, yeah, I can spare time in getting your domain name, setting it up. So even if you pay after 2 days also, you get your domain names by the weekend only. Okay, so send me a test mail, I'll be sending my bank details. And even if you feel like you paid the fee, and you are unable to attend the class, or you missed some class, no problem. I'm gonna start a new class, and we'll go very fast forward in that class, so you can pick up in that class, no worries. And with this you can attend the next class too, live class, no problem. I have no issues in that. You can attend the next class. So next class will start from HTML again. HTML, and again the same process runs. Maybe the project will be different. So next time you won't be, you already have a domain name, and the domain name is valid for 1 year. Okay, you will have the domain name for 1 year, and hosting is free for 2 months. Okay, 2 months. I'll try to extend it to 5 months, because one person is ready to give us this hosting free for 2 months if you buy a domain from him. So maybe I'll request him saying that my students want it for 5 months. So 5 months is a good time. Later on, if you want to continue with him, it will be somewhere around 200 per month. So it's pretty cheap, 200 rupees per month. Right, so that is it. And even if you feel like you cannot attend the class, or say tomorrow you it's impossible for you guys to attend the class, yeah, then I'll refund you the money. Okay, taking money for the domain names and hosting, I'll refund you most probably to 2500 if you feel like you don't want to continue the course for anymore. Okay, and that too you got to tell me within a week. If you say after 10 days or 15 days we'll be done with the course, I can't refund the money. Am I clear with the terms and conditions here?